This is Crazy Lady Dumpster Diver. How y'all doing tonight? I know everybody's wanting about filming you, so don't start that craziness. So we decided to come out to the city lake and see what things are. So I was going to show you the beauty of this. This lake is weird. It flows one way, flows a different way, then goes down. So we'll let you see it. So it's flowing from that. If you can see the water flowing, I'm not sure if you can or I can't. Yeah, you can. Then it runs this way, right here. Just watch my stuff right there. And it flows. There it's flowing. And it keeps flowing. It's flowing. And it flows over to here. Into this area. Watch them minnows jump. Them shad. Over here, a bunch of shad jumping. Bunch of shad jumping. And stuff. How you doing? And stuff. Bunch of shad is jumping all over the place. And stuff. So it flows from this end into a Y. And we've got our 6 feet distance. So that's what we're doing. And then I'm going to show you another spot it flows into. And it's very interesting because it flows from that way. Whew. So see, it flows, but when it rains bad here, it all comes. And I mean, it comes everywhere and stuff, and it's all over the place. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
So it just flows everywhere. And they had to come out here and flatten it before because it was so bad right here and stuff. But you know, you got to get some sun somewhere, right? Hey, Kimberly, right?
Right.
You got to get some sun somewhere. Even though it's not sunny, it's supposed to rain tonight, and stuff, so it's a beautiful day. And I'm glad I didn't drop my phone down there. But this is Crazy Lady Dumpster Divers getting off, and hopefully tonight we'll be back on. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.